The newest Acura models feature the latest generation of the intuitive and driver-focused True Touchpad Interface. The interface seamlessly combines our largest ever center display with the Acura exclusive touchpad. It features the latest generation of natural language voice recognition, plus Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant integration. The True Touchpad interface combines the visual arrangement and graphic icons of a touchscreen with the convenience of a remote interface. Your eyes stay on the road while keeping your arm and hand in a comfortable position to use the controls. The True Touchpad interface combines a widescreen display with easy-to-reach controls. The touchpad layout incorporates the controls you use most often, including a convenient power and volume knob and a seek-skip button. Every spot on the True Touchpad interface is mapped precisely with the corresponding position on the large center display. This allows you to select app icons without looking down at the touchpad while driving. Finding your way around the system is easy. The content is arranged on pages. Click left or right to change the page. To open a highlighted app, click the touchpad. The large touchpad on the left is called the A zone. It controls the left side of the screen. Click the A zone touchpad to select an item. Swipe or drag your finger in various directions to operate each screen. Flick your finger up or down, or left and right, to scroll lists or change pages. You can also write on the touchpad to search. Trace a character on the A zone touchpad. There's no need to pause between letters.
P-O-S.
In navigation-equipped models, the A zone touchpad allows you to move the map by swiping or dragging with 2 fingers. The smaller touchpad on the right is the B zone. It controls what's displayed on the right side of the screen. Slide your finger up or down to highlight what you would like to select. You can use the True Touchpad interface to mark favorite media selections. To add a radio favorite, tune to a station you want, then add it as a favorite. With the True Touchpad interface, you can create a shortcut on the home screen for things you use often. Select a favorite item, then press and hold the A zone touchpad. Select Add to Homepage or Add to Head-Up Display. A shortcut icon will be added to the home screen. You can move these icons by dragging and dropping them to your preferred location. The True Touchpad interface provides access to the vehicle's customizable settings. For example, the available Iconic Drive interior lighting setup is available through Settings. You can also set many other customized functions using the True Touchpad interface. Whether you're considering an Acura for the first time or a current owner, watch our latest how-to videos to learn more about the True Touchpad interface.